Oh. Because of
Oh
that.
my god. Matitanos ka nito na.
How big that is. Hi guys, so we're just going on a nice walk. It's really lovely. So sunny today. Lovely. It's Friday and June is off for the weekend. Yay! So we're going for a walk. We call the Glen. It's like a wee walk you go through. See Daddy. They want to bring their scooters and then they don't want their scooters. So annoying. Need twitchers. So go for a big walk. Dinner today. Lunch. Yeah, gonna go walk there. Lovely, isn't it? Beautiful. Beautiful. So it's the walkway. Nature's just beautiful, isn't it?
Where are you going? That's not a bike, that's a scooter. Wow guys, beautiful, ganda ng lugar, diba? Malapit lang sa amin ito guys. Siguro mga 3 minutes walk lang sa bahay namin. Ganda, diba? Picturean ko lang. I love nature. Wow, ganda. Mahaba pa rin yung ano, mataas pa rin yung araw. Kasi pa summer na siya. Yung peak ng summer is where? Where? Wow, there's a secret in there, yeah? No, oh yeah, there is, see? I could see in there, see? Can I get close up? There. Oh.
That's where the animals go. Cody said.
Yeah, that's right. Where?
That's where the animals go, Bella.
Go Bell.
Where you going? This way, come on. Exercise namin ito mga kabayan. Wow. Oh, what? What are you doing? Are you? Oh, ganda dito guys. Ganda. Maganda to kasi maliit lang tong ano parang. Oh, careful. Maganda, maliit lang to na ano, parang nature park. Maiksi lang siya siguro mga 3-4 kilometers lang haba nito. So, hindi masyadong matao. Maganda umikot dito. First time namin pumunta dito pala. First time pumunta dito.
One there, and one other swim past.
Right.
One there,
Okay.
there. Which way are we going? We going
No, we
through there?
can't go in there.
We can go short past like there. Or something.
No, so it's mucky. See, the shortcut here, guys. May shortcut daw dun. Parang nagbabahay-bahayan mo ta. No, we go this one. This way.
Another one there.
Lads, wait for us. Ganda, di ba? Ikot. Fresh air. Wow. You would not imagine this one, guys. Nandito to sa malapit sa city. This is our first time, baby, to come here.
I know.
That's beautiful.
Here for 9 years.
Yeah, we live in this area for 9 years. We always go to the biggest park. The biggest nature reserve. But this one, oh, there's a stream.
I'm putting my scooter down.
Guys, there's a stream here. Look.
Don't
Oh,
go too close.
oh yes.
Don't go too close.
Mommy, look. Come on. No, look. Oh,
It's a river.
it's a river, a stream.
Or whatever.
Wow, there must be fish in here, isn't it? Oh, this is the one. The river connected to near to the sea. That's loads of ducks, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think so.
Oh. But I'm too scared if anybody gets too close. I know you're
Sumama sa amin si Kuya Jay kasi mayroon siyang maraming homeworks. Tapos na yung school year nila pero mayroon silang advanced classes para sa GCC. Yung GCC parang qualification nila, preparation nila, parang first level nila
Stay back, guys.
para makakuha ng magandang grades o marks sa university.
Daddy. Look. It's nail
Where?
on.
What's that you found in there, Joshua?
What?
What you found in there?
Fairy house.
A fairy house? There's a fairy house.
I think the fairies
Where? Where's the fairy?
Somebody
My
dropped their
fairy
jacket.
though.
Somebody dropped their jacket in there.
Ooh, that's rubbish. There's another rubbish in there, see? What? I can hear a car. A truck. Jacob, look at me, Jacob. Look, guys, this one, look. A rope in there, see? There.
Most people go on the other side and they jump down with the thing.
Yeah, and then
That was like
jump.
like
Jess is Maki, Jess is Maki. Don't go in there.
that was how
Is it Maki? Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. They will climb in the guys, umakyat sila dyan. Tapos nag-i-sling sila. Oh my God, nakakatakot naman. Tapos tatalon. So hindi ngayon kasi mababa yung tubig. Ang ganda dito, di ba? Beautiful. Nag-i-enjoy talaga yung mga bata pag ganito. They had so much fun pag ganito. Wow, this one's beautiful. Beautiful dito, di ba? Beautiful, see? Ganda-ganda dito pag nature. Wow, there's another river in here, see? A stream.
Dirty.
That's dirty, baby. It's dirty. Oh, let's go. she's waving to her friends in there. She's waving to the girls in there. Where are you going, boys? Madi-discovery na naman sila. You know how to brake in here, baby? Oh, look here. Oh. You step on that. Look, see? Look at Bella. Oh. Step. You step your foot in here, and the scooter will stop. Okay? Where? Hey, what are you doing? Is it not full of muck?
No.
Oh my goodness.
It's so close.
Cody, careful na. Cody, careful, baby. Oh my goodness. The daredevil ka talaga. Hi.
Can we stand on stones and be taking pictures?
Yeah, but be careful, not gonna
Fall.
fall. Careful, please. A bit slidey. Careful. Wow, ang ganda guys. Oh. Parang Pilipinas. May salmon kaya dito? Do you think there's fish in here, guys?
Maybe.
Look at me. Take a picture. Look at me. 1, 2.
Daddy, over there! Oh my God!
Ang ganda dito, di ba? Anong klaseng bridge kaya ito? First time. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? Oh, you wanna take a picture? Come here. I'll take a picture. You solo one. Stand there. I'll take a picture. Okay. Nagdadambog siya kasi. Nada siya picture. Hold on, yeah. Wow, this one's nice here. Careful, guys. Careful.
Oh my goodness, turn around.
Where are you going?
Go get them.
There's rocks down here.
Napaka-adventurous ng mga anak ko. Pag nasa Pilipinas to. Ooh, wow! Look at me. I'll take a picture. Cheese. Joshua, Bella.
We're in the middle of the water.
Fortnite dance. Yeah, there. Very good. Come on, boys. Come on.
She went past.
Oh, it's beautiful, this
And
bridge.
they're climbing up the rocks
Paano kaya ginawa nila to?
in the river.
Like, what is this place?
Let's go. Super excited. Are you? Oh, bike.
Stuck, I need to go down.
You go around, baby.
I'm going on, Jordy.
Come on. Let's go.
This is so pretty. There's a flag over here. Usually I'm scared of this one.
Well, Josie is quite stiff, yeah. Oh, this one is beautiful here. Look. Jess, look at me, Jess. I got your scooter. Wow, it's beautiful here. Wow. Jess, look at me, baby.
Oh, okay.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Wow, look. We live in this area for 9 years. Ngayon lang namin na-discover ito. May mga graffiti pero talo-talo na yan. Oh, look, there, see? Cody, no, baby, no. Do you think there's fish in here? It's low tide. Careful, gago. Wow.
Guys, this is how you stop my scooter.
How?
Right here.
Oh, very good.
And I,
Ano ba to? Gabi? Oh, parang gabi to ah. Oh, parang wild plants lang yan eh. So wild plants, isn't it, Jules? Yes? There's another one? Wow, look at this one. Wow, ganda. So beautiful. What is it, Jules?
You call this one the glen?
No, I mean this bridge.
I don't know, the train thing.
Is it a train track?
Yeah, the train thing.
It could be a train track though.
yeah, you.
Yeah, it's a train track. Right here.
I never slipped.
What?
I thought I said that.
Careful. Kunti lang yung tao dito naglalakad. Where are you going?
Under the bridge and there's another path leading back over here.
There's another one here, see? Much better in here, see?
It goes over, you go back over here and then go down there.
What? Cody, please, baby.
That help him, come here. That
Oh, help him. Come on, help him. Bella, if you wanna go in here, go to the side. Go to the side. Ganda dito, guys. Oh! Ah, ito rin, ganda. Ganda talaga pag nature, di ba? May mga wildflowers dito. Ganda. Nag-enjoy yung mga bata. Wow!
Let's see if I can get to the other side.
Kuya Jay missed this one, isn't it?
Yeah, he missed it so much.
He's studying.
You can come back up here.
Ang dami ng homework kasi. Not homework, advanced study. Advanced study. Kasi kailangan niya ng ano, straight A stars pag nagano na siya. Nag-exam kasi gusto niya maging paleontologist. Paleontologist pala, not paleontologist. Pang social ang paleontologist.
You darn me to get past.
You alright?
That's fine.
Gonna be walking with the soaking shoes. Socks. Hey, go this way, go this way. This one's flat. It's the name of person. Dale, something like that.
Dave. Stop.
What's wrong? You wanna do it yourself?
We're going hiking.
We're going now.
What?
Now we're going this way, going up.
We're going back.
Right, come on.
I'm going back.
Let's go.
I'm going back. We're going to.
Come on, guys. Bumalik na naman.
Jacob, we're going up the hill.
Gandang exercise to, guys, sa mga bata. Now, no one can help you now. What you gonna do?
I'm gonna go help him. So pretty.
Si Nono nandun lang sa kay mami.
Jay missed going. I really wish they were here.
Come on, Bella, come on. We're going the other side. Come on. No, not yet. Not yet. We'll go this way. Huh? You gonna go down in there? Joshua. Good, good, good. Adventure sa mga anak ko. Tamang-tama. Pag lumipat pala kami sa Pilipinas. Come on, princess. Help her. Help her. Pag lumipat pala kami sa Pilipinas, mag-enjoy mga bata. Diba? Pero hindi pala pwede city yung puntahan namin. Ganito. Yung malapit sa nature. Hey, come on, careful. You alright? Good girl. Where? Excited si Cody. Mainit siya ngayon, guys. Pero mahangin. So, nag-ano lang siya. Tamang-tama lang. Wow, this one's beautiful. Ganda. Ganda-ganda dito. They had so much fun at all. What? What you found, Jacob?
Yes, we found it. It's right in there. I'm stuck. A duck!
Oh, there's a duck, look!
Oh, that's not a duckling. Oh, guys, look.
Guys, there's a bird and a duck. See duck? Hi, a duck.
Hi, ducky.
Where is it now? There.
Right there.
Oh! Flies away.
I'm stuck. Jacob, duck daddy. Yeah, I'm gonna go that way.
Wow, this one is beautiful.
Mom, my son on the duck.
Where's the duck?
Wait, Dad, where's Mom?
Huh?
Where's Mom?
Jacob, look at me.
Dad, we just got to the other path. Right ahead of Mom.
Where? But ma,
That's where it leads us.
where?
In front of Mom.
It's not. Where's mommy?
Mom, it was there, way over there.
Alright, we just go around. Umikot lang pala kami, guys. What? Help you what? You stuck? You alright?
What? Mom, Dad.
Oh, what?
Mom,
Mom, this is a shortcut here, baby. Look.
Mom, right there.
Yeah, mom is in the standing, see? So this is guys. Maganda rito ang lugar na to. Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi. Ngayon lang namin na-discover ito. It's fun. It is fun. My kids are enjoying it. And I am too. Oh! Umikot lang pala. Tama ng bata. Umikot lang pala kami. Natin si nanay. This is fun. Umikot na naman kami. Paakyat kami, guys. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm not gonna carry that one, are you? Ako ang taga-bit-bit, guys. Ganyan lagi. Ang role ng isang tatay. Mahirap kasi paakyat to. Marami nagbabike dito. Ang binibit-bit ko. Buti na lang hindi bike. Ang dinala namin scooter lang. Malapit lang naman. So, hey, what are you doing, you two? Yeah. Another door? Jump, jump, jump. Like what's bike? What's a bike? Move, move in the side. Cody, move in the side. What is it, princess? What is it? What the Oh, what's that? That's the door, the fairy's house?
Yeah. That's like more.
Maraming ganyan dito, guys, yung parang fairy doors nilalagyan niya sa mga oak tree, ang tao dito, pine tree. Yan, ganyan. Yan. Maganda rin dito. Let's go! What? Carrie! Am I a helper? Hi, no. Hello. Oh.
Can we go home now?
Why?
No.
Not yet. We're going to the shop first.
How long does it take to get to the shop?
Huh? Mahaba-haba pala to. Pakyat. Magandang exercise talaga to. Wow. Wow, ganda na si hangin. Parang Pilipinas, guys. Naalala ko yung ganito. Yung mga kababayan natin na OFW, pag nakakita ng ganito, yan din ang dinidream nyo na bumalik sa Pilipinas. Wow, a shadow. That's a shadow, baby. Yeah, like a big. Ganyan din ang balikan natin. Ano? Ganyan din pangarap niya magkaroon kayo ng farmland. Pwede niyong retirement place. Ganyan, diba? Walang sasarap ng pakir. What's wrong? No, you sabi ng anak kong baba. Lalaki si Jis. Yung scooter niya is tired. Pagod daw. Sa pagganito guys. Yan, diba? Nature at its finest. Maganda. Lalo na pag ang lote mo o yung farmland mo is nasa tuktok na bundok. Wow. Tapos sa baba, mayroon kang parang taniman ng mga gulay o palay. Was you're in paradise. Tapos malayo sa ingay ng mga sasakyan, usok ng sasakyan. Healthy living talaga. Yeah, the best. So, kung OFW ka ngayon, time na para pag-ipon. Sa dandahanin mo ng bumili ng lote, farmland. At maliit lang. Ooh, this one is nice. What's in here? It looks like so far. Are we gonna end up in Carrickfergus amongst town? Oh, ganda dito guys.
We're going to
Ganda dito.
Yes!
Oh, there it is now, see? Picture, look at me.
That's all the way
Look at me, jeez.
Mom's Asda.
Jeez. Cody. What's wrong? Oh, nasugatan daw siya. That's not, I'm not gonna touch it, baby. Look, malit lang yan. Malaya yung sa bituka, nak. Come on, malaya yung sa bituka. You're not gonna die. That's Filipino humor. Yeah? It's nothing that on. Come on. Let's go. You wanna use your scooter? That's why you don't go in the bushes, yeah? See, loads of dandelions in there. Ah, beautiful. Mainit talaga siya. Mataas pa rin ang araw. I gonna carry the scooter. Oh my goodness. Don't put your hands on. Come on, let's go. Ilang kilometro ba itong nilakad na? Mga 3 kilometers. Almost 3 kilometers. So magandang exercise to guys. Maganda sa cardio. Ngayon na na-discover namin to, hindi na namin kailangan mag-drive. Pumunta doon sa malaking nature reserve. Kasi ito tapat lang na bahay namin to. Tapat lang na. Makikita mo yung bahay guys. Yan yung bahay namin dyan. So sa likod lang pala. Hindi namin pinapansin to guys kasi akala namin maliit lang siya or hindi maganda. Pero maganda pala siya. Very nice eh. Sa likod lang ng mga bahay namin. Tapos makikita mo nandun sa dulo. Yun yung parang bus depot. Yung dyan ang mga bus nag-rest pag tapos na yung shift nila. Hindi na pinapark. Malapit din sa mga bahay namin. Dito yung bahay namin. Yan, malapit lang. Sumiikot lang talaga. Ha? Yeah, nasa houses and house eh. Sa likod lang ng bahay namin. Yan guys, yung nakikita mo nandyan. Mga wild berries yan. Pero tapos na yung season. Hindi ka na makaka-harvest. Yan. Namumulaklak siya. Hindi pa pala. So mga iba July pa. Come on baby! Tinatamad siya. Umigot na naman sila. Pupunta sa itong way na to, ibang way na naman ang exit niyan. Doon sa kabilang naman parang tawag sa ibang village o ibang subdivision ang labas niyan. Dito kami. Ito yung bus depot. Diyan kayo lulusok. To your left! See, may mga sign doon, see? Makikita mo, makikita kayo yung sign. Come on you two, come on! Let's go! What do you mean? Go there! Let's go there. Anong ginagawa niya? Nasa Baguio siya. Malalayo si Mami pa eh. Cody! What are you doing? Ang yung bus depot. Yung sinasabi ko kanina na dyan lahat ng mga bus. Patapos yung shift nila. Ito yung sign sa kabila. So may sign, Monkstown Village Center. So that way. So may ibon na lumilipad. So yan. So, we go this way behind the houses, mga bahay namin. Dito kayo tagaan. Let's go. No? With Bella. Come on, go. Chase them in there. So malapit na kami. Malapit na kami sa exit. What are you doing, baby? So, nauna yung mga yun. Nakikita ko sa inyo, guys. Na sila. Nauna sila.
Why am I so warm today?
Yeah. Oh, this one's beautiful, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung canopy niya. Yeah, ganda. Ganda. So nice here. So, isang ikot 3 kilometro. 3 kilometro. So, magandang exercise yan. Sa biking, kahit walking lang. Kaya pala nakikita namin dati yung kapitbahay namin. Hindi sila nagda-drive. Pupunta lang sila. Naglalakad lang sila. Dala-dala yung aso nila. Dito pala sila naglalakad. Now we discover. Asa maganda dito, guys, kasi walang mga pupu. Walang ipot ng mga aso. Kasi usually mga national reserve, mayroon talagang irresponsible may-ari ng mga aso nila. Pinapapupo lang nila yung aso nila everywhere. Tapos hindi nila pinipick up. Usually pag nahuli ka o nakita ka si Steve o may nasubong sa'yo, pwede kang magka-fine ng 100 something pounds. At pag inulit na yung inulit, kukunin ng parang dog charity, RSPCA, yung animal mo kasi irresponsible kang may-ari. Yan. At yung mga bahay, di ba? Tapos may babahay rin dito, guys. Yan. Kasi in between ka dito. Ito na kami nakalusok. Oh, may gate dito. Let's see how mommy gonna pass. Oh no, mommy. It's a challenge for mommy.
No, Cody, mommy.
Actually, no, it's easy.
Cody, go. Oh, Josh. Oh, you're right, baby. Oh, it's okay. See, mommy pass it.
Jordan is.
I know. Wow, so big, isn't it?
Oh my gosh.
Ito mga bahay dito, guys. Mga bahay dito. Mga bahay. May bahay rin dito. So dito kami, straight.
Wait, what?
Ganda ng mga flowers.
Near our house?
Oh, look, there's a bee. Look. A big bee. Ganda ng mga flowers. Dito na kami sa main road. Tapos lulusot kami sa bilang shortcut naman kasi punta kami ng tindahan. Bibili daw si nanay ng milk sa paghapunan namin. Kasi maaga pa. Yeah. Huh? I don't. Massive isn't it? Massive. Yun yung mga sign, guys, eh. Penalty pala 1,000 pound. Yan o, 1,000 pound. Akala ko 100. 1,000 pound pala. Magkano ba palitan niya sa Pilipinas? 66 pounds something? 66 pesos something. So, 66,000 pesos ang penalty pag nahuli ka. Pag nagpupupo yung asong. Ito yung bahay ng kapitbahay. Bahay ng kaklase ni Jay. Ng elementarya. Si Jenny. Vietnamese sila. Vietnamese yung nanay. Tapos, yung tatay, taga mainland China. No, we go this way! We go shortcut, hey! We go this way. Ito na yung street namin. Mga bahay-bahay. Joshua, Jacob! So, tatawid na kami, guys. Ito yung parang island. Dito ka maghihintay. Walang sasakyan. Di busy lang sa road namin. Dito kami tatawid. Makakangin talaga. Dito yung bahay na sa kabilang village. Tawiran. Right? Joshua and Jacob nasa pinakadulo na sila. What do you mean?
As soon as we get home, I'm not going on a walk again.
So, dito na ang lahat. Doon, sa mabahay na yan, dyan kami sa likod ng shortcut. Papunta namin sila. Sabi na, stop ako ulit. Nauha sila. Uwi muna daw muna kayo sa bahay. Iwan namin itong mga scooters. Kasi, stop! Bella, stop, yeah? Stop. Stop, Bella! Princess, you need to stop.
That's exactly the same place that we started.
There's no car? No car? No. No car, come on. There's car coming, come on. go. I'm thirsty too. Oh, no, kami. Where's Joshua? Masarap nila. Mamaya, sarap ng tulog ng mga bata na to. Oh guys, tingnan mo. Napakadelikado ng ginawa. Josh, look. What happened? There's a nail on his shoe. Oh my goodness. Lucky.
It went through my shoe and I can't wear it. Like
There is, yeah.
pointing out.
Go,
Look, watch.
get the plug. I'll take it out.
It's like really in.
Where did you get this one?
I don't know. I started walking around.
Guess we just get home. We get a hammer. Oh my goodness. Jacob, no. I'll take it when we get home. Come on, let's go. Stop. Bella, stop. Sa bus. Ay, sa bus. Sa van. Stop. What? Kasi may sasakyan dito eh. So kailangan tayo huminto. Huh? You know where it is? You sure? Huh? Right? We're gonna go home and get a drink first, yeah? In the shop? Jacob and Donna. Alright, cross the road here. There's no, come on. What's up cars? Ito na yung dalawa. Nagkaabang na. Ito naman yung street naman. Ito yung lugar naman. Can you check it out?
Wait, I need to get the bottom part.
This one, see?
Oh, that's probably, yeah. That is probably better.
Wow.
That's fun. A teensy bit, but at the same time, no way.
Sinampay na magliliparan. May sinampay na naman kami.
I could never do this in my life. I'm weak. Right?
Can I do it now?
No.
You try your best now. See, it's my turn now.
Got it.
Got it?
Nearly. Oh. Be careful,
Oh
Daddy.
my god. Matitanos ka nito na.
How big that is.
Where did you get this one?
I don't know. I just started walking, and then, well, as soon as I sat down,
Oh my god.
that
Look,
thing came out.
look,
Yeah, I was stamping on this the whole time.
look. This, how sharp it is. Very sharp.
Very, very. I was stamping on this side, like right there. Like right that side.
Here.
It was going through. That is not recording. Or are you? It's going through my shoe right there.
Yeah, there's a hole.
See?
Can
That I was
imagine that one,
stamping
guys,
on that.
see?
It was so
That's the
scary.
one. In there, see?
I'll hold
Very
it.
dangerous. Did you not hit your foot on that?
Yeah, I did. I kept on poking it. I was just trying to shake it off.
Pauwi lang namin galing sa lakad namin. Naglakad kami dun sa parang nature park. So, ang dalaga ko nakatulog dito sa trampoline. Lagyan ko na lang siya ng blanket with dalag ng blanket. Yan, nakatulog siya. Nilagyan ko ng blanket. Tulog siya dito sa trampoline. Masarap kasi. Masarap matulog dito kasi parang dinuduyan ka ng hangin. Tapos maaraw-araw pa. Nagising konti. What happened? What happened to you? What?
Say what?
Oh my goodness. E.T. E.T.
Look at Daddy.
No?
Look at the mess.
What? Dungis na dali.
I don't
Dungis
care.
niya.